Grandma Tsunade is...
Yes, she remains unconscious. She used too much of her chakra in the last battle.
No way.
We have no time to be shocked, Naruto.
Danzo has been named the next Hokage. I've told you about him before, haven't I?
Sure. He was size superior, and a pretty scary guy. But how could a guy like that become Hokage?
I don't know the details, but knowing Danzo, I'm sure he forced the decision through somehow. And there's one more piece of bad news. This is what Danzo's ordered. He's demanded that Sasuke be punished.
What?
Seems Sasuke's working with the Akatsuki now, and he got his hands on the Jinchuriki from the Hidden Cloud. Because of this, the summit of the 5 Kage is going to take place at the behest of the Raikage. They're probably going to discuss how to respond to the actions of Sasuke and the Akatsuki.
Why would Sasuke work with the likes of the Akatsuki?
I don't know. But regardless, at this rate, there's going to be a multinational search for Sasuke. And they're going to get him.
I've got to meet this Raikage and talk to him! Isn't this Raikage guy the one who called this summit? Then he's the one I need to talk to! I have to convince him to forgive Sasuke!
Don't push it. There's no way the Raikage would listen to a request from a foreign ninja.
When I was in trouble after turning into the Nine Tails, I met the 4th Hokage in a dream. He told me, the one controlling the Akatsuki is the one in the mask. He's even controlling pain. Sasuke must be under that guy's control too. That's why I have to...
I understand how you feel, but...
Naruto, what else did the 4th Hokage say to you?
Huh?
Fathers tend to have a lot they want to tell their sons.
He told me he believed in me.
Good. Naruto, you go to the Raikage. Yamato and I will tag along as your escorts.
What?
Naruto, keep following your path, the one the 4th believed in. I'll help you do that. Give the Raikage your best shot.
Yes, sir! Is this the right way to the Land of Iron, Kakashi-sensei?
Yeah, just cut straight through there.
All right.
I never thought I'd be doing this.
Sorry, Yamato. I'll make it up to you later.
That's all right. I should be used to this sort of thing by now. So, Kakashi, I know we're going to meet the Raikage, but after that... Kakashi.
Yeah, that didn't take long.
We know you're there. Why don't you just show yourselves?
I never thought you'd notice me. I commend you.
What the hey? Isn't that one of the Hidden Leaf Anbu Black Ops?
He's certainly an Anbu, but they serve Danzo now, remember?
Danzo?
Naruto Uzumaki, I can't let you go any further. Lord Danzo's orders are not to let the Nine-Tails go free.
What?
What do we do?
We cut straight through, of course! We've got no time to mess around here!
Exactly.
So, it's a fight you want?
If you insist! Naruto Uzumaki, ready and waiting!
Mission start.
All right, let's blast through to the border in one shot. Concentrate on moving ahead rather than on defeating the enemy.
I got it!
I've had the path sealed. You won't break through easily. Don't panic. We just have to defeat the one who affixed the seal.
Then let's beat him already and get going again! You're gonna release that seal!
Don't make me laugh, boy. Do you dare to defy the sixth Hokage?
Take that! How about that? Don't get in my way! I want to see the Raikage!
Looks like my role is getting smaller and smaller.
Capture the Jinchuriki! Restrain him!
Why do I have to fight people from the Hidden Leaf?
How about that? Too weak.
Don't get in my way! I'm going to see the Raikage! Gotcha!
Lightning blade. How about that? Lightning beam pulling jutsu.
You're Anbu, all right. You do a good job.
Gotcha! Gotcha!
Capture the Jinchuriki! Restrain him!
Lightning Beast running jutsu! Earth style! Mud wall!
Why do I have to fight people from the hidden leaf?
What immense strength.
Kakashi-sensei, let's hurry up!
Right. I see you're well prepared as usual, Danzo.
He's the man who's able to control the Foundation, after all.
Whatever. He's a tough opponent.
I won't let you go any further. Turn around and go back to the village.
There's no chance of that!
Everyone concentrate on capturing the Jinchuriki!
I think we're getting close to the border now.
Yes, just a little further.
Tougher to lose than I thought.
Kakashi-sensei, it's just a little further! Trust me!
Looks like my role is getting smaller and smaller. There it is! Earth style, mud wall!
No one can keep me from this path, no matter what! Don't get in my way! I'm going to see the Raikage!
Hurry, Naruto! There's no time to fight them politely! 2 weak! Take them! How about that? 2 weak!
Don't get in my way! I'm going to see the Raikage! No one can keep me from this path, no matter what!
Hurry, Naruto! There's no time to fight them politely! Looks like my role is getting smaller and smaller. You're onto all right. You do a good job.
Capture the Jinchuriki! Restrain him!
How about that?
Now it's a straight shot to the border! Kakashi-sensei!
Maybe we can shake them now.
Mission complete.
Looks like we cut our way through somehow.
I knew he'd come after us, but I never thought he'd go so far as to arrest Naruto. It looks like Danzo really doesn't want Naruto getting out.
None of that matters right now, Kakashi-sensei! We have to get to the Raikage!
Yeah. Okay, let's make it all the way to the Raikage in one big push.
Right!